Good morning, Philippines! Well, good morning, universe. So we have our first coffee. So, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel, guys. I am Marge. Paano ba to? Paano ba to? So, by the way, guys, highway. It's gonna have coffee and enjoy this beautiful view. No? This is our view. Good morning guys. So today is July 12, 2026. So yesterday guys, we clean my recall that my nephew he cut all the grasses and we are the one who sweep the yard also. Now after he did a grass cutting or grass cut. So look at this guys. Good morning. Let's stay positive. And I'm having my coffee right here. Look at my coffee. That's still black guys, black coffee. So just enjoy this view guys. No Marites, no Karen. So while I'm filming, I have my coffee right here. No? Heavy coffee. Look. It's still hot. So just enjoy because this is in Pronto again, as you can see. Honestly guys, here in Hinunangan, this is we had a big rice field, no? Look at that. Just imagine guys if they gonna make this as a airport, no? What do you think? Because I remember in Panglao, no, the international airport. So yeah, look at this guys, beautiful view. Tabi-tabi po. Before there is right here guys, I remember Lolo Gorio. Lolo Gorio. They have a small tiny how do you call that? A rest house right here. So well anyway, this is how it's looking. My coffee is hot. Oh, there's a bird. Aray. Init. Init. Kaya ganun tag-init. So guys, actually guys, lingkod na si Diday guys. Dako sa ilang kahoy. Diba? So, wala tong view. Very wide. More. Just enjoy guys for the morning. Nice view. Morning had coffee. Look at this. This is how it's look like, or this is what I like guys during planting rice bitaw guys. Kay nga no mag green man gud na siya. Oh, na. And more palm trees by the way. Palm trees. So when you are in the jungle guys, you can hear the different sound of the birds, you know. It's nice. And if you can see, Bunbun is right there guys. This is Bunbun. He's enjoying there. Guys, comment down below guys. Unsay atong ipa-snack na pod sa mga G guys, no? Cause it's 3 days na sa prayers sa akong papa. Pangaji. Kapag init guys. Init. Beautiful view. Just enjoy the sounds guys. Ay. The nature sounds. Look guys. Magic meron guys. When I touch this one guys, it will be going to close. Look ha, it will close guys. Wow, makahiya. They call it makahiya. I don't know in English how do you call that thing. Look, when you touch it, see, look the rice. Guys, if you have any question, just comment down below. Oi, happy Sunday all. No, today is Sunday. Sunday. There's motorbike. So guys, that's it. We are here at our house, my mom's house. So I'm still continue drinking this yummy coffee, and that's our dirty kitchen right there, guys. When you marry a Filipina, it should have a dirty kitchen. So she's gonna cook the dried fish right there. And look at my bunbun. And look guys, and by the way guys, we had my nephew, they planted this one eggplant, no? As you can see. And my bunbun enjoying. What are you doing, bunbun? Catching fish? Nakakuha ka ng fish, be? Oh, what about kasabot, be? Oh, I will take you guys. Hold on, I will take you in irrigation, by the way. So, irrigation. Shout out to Ate Risa. Mauni ilang ko under balay saon. One of our neighbor, okay? Ate Risa. Look at that irrigation, guys. Oh, jungle again. I remember when we are kids, guys, we play right there. Oh, guys, more makahiya. And grrr, we can swim here, but no. Actually, guys, when we are kid, we swim right here, guys. We swam. Look at that. Wow, isn't it pretty? Look at that. Sit down. Just enjoy, guys. Just enjoy. And right there. Just enjoy. Enjoy the view. I almost finished my coffee. So let's gonna walk. Look at that. Look at this. And our house right there. And this is the corner. This is the corner. So honestly, while we are having coffee, let's just walk around here. Supposedly I'm gonna end my video, but I decided to walk. Look at there. We just walk right here, guys. Just enjoy. Wow. More water of irrigation canal. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, see that? So this video, guys, we will upload this right away, no? Because hopefully we can do. I'm planning to do walk this morning. Just walk. We will see if we can do that. So this road, guys, going to my grandma's house, right there. So in our house we don't have a neighbor. Before we have a neighbor. Actually we have a neighbor, but a little bit need to walk a little bit, not really far, right there in the Kusti. My cousin relatives. So let's go back. And that's the dryer from the government, but look at that, they don't use it, and until it's old and broken and blown of the typhoon. So look at that, guys. I really miss this place, guys. This one, that area, in that area, because right there, guys, there's a plaza, a plaza right there, as you can see in that area, guys. There's a big plaza, and then we can play there a different kind old games, because before we don't have a phone, we just played. And there's a big whale right there, or deep whale, I don't know how you pronounce it. So that's our house right there, my mom's house. That's not my house, my mom's house. And oh, jackfruits. So our yard is clean as well. So you can see our mini garden still there. And that's an update of our mini garden. We heard that, guys, the different sounds of the what is that? Oh, eggplant. We're gonna have free food again, free dishes, and we have more. Actually, the bitter gourd, it's already look like an old na. So look at I like our, what's that? Spinach. So that's it, guys. I'm gonna end our video. Look at my Bonbon. Hi, Bon. Good morning, Bon. Ay, wala sa mood si Bonbon. Good morning. What is that? He wants to catch a fish, guys, but I don't know where his fishing rod. We don't have coffee. finished. So I'm here guys again. Please do subscribe my channel guys and tap the notification bell para every time ma-upload tayo, mano-notify kayo. So thank you so much guys. If you watch until here, thank you so much. I really do appreciate. Thank you. So always remember, I'm always saying this, ingat, amping, take care. God bless you.